Peter is hunting again a fly. I don't know. Look, see? Did you get it? My God, he got him, I think. My God, you got him again and you ate him? Oh my God, man. That's crazy, man. Good job, man. I was tired of that stupid fly. You got him on time, man. Good job. I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you. I was about to go crazy and nuts, and there you go. You saved my life. Thanks for doing that. Thanks for taking care of that fly. Good boy. That's my boy right there. He's ready for anything. Good boy. Have a good one.